him, bunny. Get him. Oh, I'm trying to do this and hold her chain at the same time. Okay. Where you going, bunny? Where you going, boo? Come on, let's go. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Look at my big girl. Look at my big girl. Let me see my big girl. Hi, Bonnie. Look at my big girl play. Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter with Mama's girl? Get him, Cleo. Get him, Bonnie. Go get him. Get him. Get him. She's like, get what, Mommy? There's nothing to get. Come on. This way. There's too much Chucky over there. Get him, Bonnie. Get him. Get him. Get him, boo. You ready to go back in? Hmm? Are you ready, Bonnie? Are you ready? She's like having so much fun over here. Come here, Bonnie boo. Get him. Get him. It's so cute. You're so cute, Bonnie. You ready? Are you ready? I smell something cooking over here. It smells... I don't know where it's coming from, but it smells really good. Okay. Come here. We're going to go back inside now. Where are you going? Come back this way. There's a bunny. Where you going, boo? Where you going, bunny? Where you going, boo? Are you done? We're still looking? Still playing? Uh-oh. Here comes the train. Uh-oh, Cleo. Let's see what she does when a train comes. Uh-oh. Here it comes. Uh-oh. Here it comes, bunny. Get him. Get him. I'm going to watch and see what she does. She's probably going to go scream in the middle of the night. Watch her. Look at Get him. Get him, buddy. Get him. Get him. What's the matter? Did you see the train to get you? Oh. Get him. Get him, Bonnie. Get him. Get him, Cleo. Get him. Get him, Cleo. Get that train. When the train went by, I looked in the window and he waved at me. The conductor did. I couldn't get it on tape, but as he blew the horn, he waved at me. This is scared of Bonnie.